Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove background noise on Messenger calls. It's really simple and easy. First of all, open up the Messenger application in your mobile. Once you are in the app, scroll through and open the chat where you would like to make an audio or video call. At the top of the chat screen, you will see the audio and video call icons. Tap on either one to start your call. Once the call is connected, tap on these three dots in the top right corner and then simply tap on this call settings. This will take you to a new screen with various options and you can see this noise suppression. Just simply toggle this on here to enable this feature. With noise suppression activated, Messenger will filter out background noise, making your calls clear and improving the overall sound quality. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to remove background noise in Messenger. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.